making a decision, that first ever decision I made, sitting on the bottom of a phone box after an epileptic fit at the age of 30, moving me and my children into the unknown, a place, town we didn't know anyone, fearing for our lives, but waking up in that moment and saying, you know what, I'm going to change my life. I really am. I'm 33. I'm responsible for 4 children. Look at them. They're going to end up like me. Already they were. And I made a decision unlike any other decision, and I've made many, and I had made many. I was going to lose weight. I was going to give up smoking. I was going to eat better. I was going to gunner. And, you know, they were many decisions made every day of my life, but they were not like that one. That one had to happen, and it wasn't just a decision, it was a commitment that came along with the decision that had no way out, no other option. We'd been to the bottom, we'd had it, and we'd, you know, tried everything else. Now it was just a decision without any knowing of of a plan. There was no plan, and thank God I made that one decision, because I turned a 33-year cycle of doom into a 17-year cycle now of absolute astronomical success in 3 separate endeavours. All I did was take each level of my personal development to a new level, and that's it. That's what this is about. That's what expanding your consciousness is about, becoming aware and realising life's not just, it's not just your lot in life. Life doesn't just happen. What we give out, we're sending something out, because it's just a cycle, and it was destructive, and it never stopped. In actual fact, you know, it has to get worse. It can't even stay the same, because there's something else is going to happen, and that's a cycle, and that's what we're in if we're in a state of thinking.